Hi friends, this year we grew a lot of carrots. So I made a video on how to lacto-ferment carrots so that we can preserve it for later use. Today I'm going to make some carrot ginger soup that we can have right now, but we can also freeze some for later. And in a future video, I'll show you how to make carrot ginger dressing, which is quite delicious. Thank you. I took 2 medium-sized onions and chopped them finely. About 4 large cloves of garlic, finely chopped as well. I put them together in a bowl. Then I took a 4 inches by 4 inches piece of ginger, peeled it and chopped it very finely. I put that aside in a separate bowl. And then I chopped the carrots. We had about 3.5 pounds of carrots. And I cut them finely. I covered the bottom of the pan in grapeseed oil. It's about 2 tablespoons or a little more. I put the onions and garlic and sauteed them. I added some black pepper and some pink Himalayan salt, and I sauteed the onions till they were translucent. I added the ginger to it as well. And then I added the carrots. I let that saute for a bit before I added some rice wine vinegar, about a capful. I had some Thai chilies that I grew, and I broke some open and I put them in there. And then I added 3 pounds of organic chicken broth. You don't have to use chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth or water if you prefer. I added some lemon zest because that's my secret ingredient. And I set that on a high flame to boil for about 45 minutes. After which the carrots had gotten soft and delicious smelling. So I took that and I put it carefully in my Vitamix because I wanted to make it a puree so that everything just blends really well together. I pureed it on medium for like 2 minutes. And there it is, the most delicious and nourishing carrot ginger soup. We had it with sour cream, and we froze the rest for a later date. Thank you.